Okay, situation 21. A plain concrete beam has the following dimensions. Width is 500, 350, tapos depth is 600. Compressive strength given, allowable tensile strength is given, 0.1 of FC prime. How much is the bending moment that will cause the plain concrete beam to crack, no? So, ang idea nito, plain lang daw yung concrete. So, ganito siya. Plain lang siya, no? Tapos, ano siya? Okay, so ang idea kasi kapag niloadan mo yan, no? Di ba, let's say, simply supported yan. Right? Tapos may load ka dito, say, gravity load. Okay, so di ba, ang mangyayari, magbe-bend ito in this manner. Ayan yung tinatawag natin na positive bending, no? So pag nag-bend yan, ibig sabihin, nasa ilalim is under tension, yung nasa ibabaw is under compression. And knowing concrete to be weak in tension, magkakaroon tayo dito ng tension crack sa ilalim. No? So ibig sabihin, magkakakrack dito. Okay? At sabi sa problem, para daw malaman natin kung ano yung cracking na yun, may binigay siya na allowable tensile stress ng concrete. Okay, so ibig sabihin yung allowable tensile stress dapat ay 0.1 of FC prime. Or that is 3.4, no? Megapascal. So ibig sabihin kapag yung tension sa concrete ay 3.4 megapascal na, magka-crack na yung ilalim niya, no? And tinatanong lang sa atin, ano yung moment na magpapa-crack sa cross section na to, no? This is 600 by 350. Okay, so how do you solve that? Well, obviously, etong stress na to will be equal to MC over I. Okay? Tapos, ano yung FT? Yun yung 3.4 equals M. Ito tawagin kong MCR. Yung tawag natin dyan is cracking moment. No? And then, yung C natin is basically half lang ng 600 na over I. Yung I naman is yung gross moment of inertia, bali 350 by 600 cube over 12. And then from there, makukompute na natin yung tinatawag na cracking moment. So we have 3.4 times 350 times 600 cube over 12 divided by, bali ito, 600 over to 300 lang yan, di ba? Divided by 300. Okay? Tapos divide lang natin to ng 1 million kasi naka-Newton millimeter ito. So we have 71.4 kilonewton meter. Okay? So our answer for number 61 is letter C. Next, the beam is cast with provision for a 185 millimeter diameter pipe located concentrically. How much is the resulting cracking moment? So ngayon naman sa 62, kunwari daw, magbubutas tayo para sa isang pipe. Drawing ko na lang ulit. So, ito 600 pa rin. Ito 350. Tapos dito, maglalagay daw ng butas. No? Ang diameter ng butas ay 180, 185. Okay, so concentrically, ibig sabihin, kung nasaan yung centroid nitong circle, nandun din yung centroid nung rectangular beam. Okay? So, ano magbabago dito? So, actually, ganun pa rin. FT will be equal to MC over I. Okay? And yung crack pa rin natin, dito pa rin madidevelop sa tension side. Ayan, dyan pa rin. So, ang magbabago lang talaga dito is yung moment of inertia. Kasi mayroon na tayong butas, no? But the rest will be the same. So, we have 3.4 equals the cracking moment times yung C natin, ganun pa rin, 600 over 2. Kasi ito pa rin yung C eh. Mula sa centroid, hanggang dun sa fiber kung saan merong tension. Ito. Yan yung C. Okay? So MC over I, yung I nga lang mag-iiba, no? So 350 by 600 cube over 12, babawasan natin ang moment of inertia nitong circle, which is pi over 64, okay, times yung diameter na 185 to the fourth. Okay? And from here, we should be able to calculate our cracking moment. So we have 3.4 times 350 times 600 cubed over 12 minus pi over 64 times diameter to the fourth divided by 300. Tapos divided by 1 million. Okay, so 70.75. So nabawasan, no? Mas humina. Okay, so 70.8. Okay? And for number 63, the beam is cast with provision for a square duct concentrically located. So, ganun pa rin pero square naman, no? So, bali 63. Instead na circle, square naman daw to. Na ang dimension is 85 by 85. Okay? So, yan. So, bali ganito pa rin. As obviously, no? Ganito pa rin. 3.5 equals cracking moment times 600 over 2. Ang mag-iiba lang ulit yung moment of inertia. So 350 times 600 cube over 12. This time, ang ibabawas natin yung moment of inertia ng rectangle, which is 85 times 85 cube or to the fourth na lang over 12. And the cracking moment will be, so baguhin lang natin to. 85 to the fourth over 12. The rest is the same. Okay? So this will give me 71.35 kilonewton meter. Okay? So, ayan, no? So therefore, our answer here would be 71.4. Okay? So that's it for this problem.